Using layers in ProCreate is one of your most valuable tools. You will find your layers in two layered squares in the top right-hand corner. You can pick your background color using this tool, and you can also switch between the layers to choose which one is on top, which one is bottom, and you can change the opacity or see-through of your layers. I'm going to do that on this piece of artwork so that I can see my lines more clearly on my reference photo that I am using for this particular piece of artwork. If you press and hold, you will see your layer pop in and out as you just saw me do on my screen, and you can relayer your layers if you need to do that. Here you will see me quickly drawing in some lines that we can manipulate later. Here you can see all my lines are on their own layer, so I can turn on and off my photo to see what those lines look like, and I can also manipulate just that layer all by itself as well as the other layers individually if I need to. Even when I have this layer hidden, I can leave it in my document to reference later. I can create new layers as I please and rearrange them. So if I can drag and drop them to lower them or raise them. I can also utilize layers to color behind lines. So here I am coloring in the area of my dog, but my lines still stay on top because that layer is beneath. I always suggest coloring on a different layer than you have your line work. As well as creating as many layers as I need, I can also duplicate layers and delete layers. So if you have an area of your artwork that you're unsure about, I would definitely do it on a new layer so that you can turn on and off to choose, as well as delete it if needed. If you have other areas of Photoshop you're interested in learning about, please leave it in a comment below.